Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Allure box. This is one of 3 subscriptions that I currently am getting, although I did sign up for a couple more recently. But right now these are only 3 that I'm getting. And I like this box. I know a lot of people don't. It's 10 bucks plus tax, and I just feel like I get my money's worth usually. There's usually a box or 2 that I don't like, majority of it, but most boxes I can at least get some use out of. So overall, I'm happy. This month is a good month. I think majority of these I do highly like, or either I already know I like them or I'm excited to try them. So that's always good. So let's just get started. I don't believe there's ever a theme for this box, but sorry, I have my window here open because it's so hot, but I bet you if I blocked it, would I get better light? Oh well, I can't deal with it. So, all right, I don't know how to fix that. Let's just get started. So the first thing in my box is the Benefit They're Real mascara. I loved this a lot. Probably 4 or 5 years, maybe a little bit longer, but I have to say I have not used it since. I don't know, there's no reason why. I do know that I feel like my lashes get used to a mascara, and a mascara that I once thought was amazing doesn't do the same anymore. So I think that's kind of what happened with this. It wasn't that I didn't like it anymore. I just think it didn't do anything wowing for me to keep buying it, but I'm very excited to try it. I know I have another sample of this that I need to open up, but in the past I've liked it, so I am excited to try it. I don't think it's a bad product at all. For the full size, it does retail for $25. I believe you can buy a sample size like this at Ulta, probably Sephora too, but I know for sure at Ulta. And I want to say it used to be 10 bucks. It's probably 12 or 15 now. So this really does pay for your box already. So it's a mascara. I love mascara, so I am happy with it. All right, the next product this is probably one of the products that I'm just like, but it is a multitask eye serum mask from Erno Lazio. I have no idea, but it just says, let's see. I'm assuming you just put it under your eyes like a sticker. 35 bucks. How many do you get in a pack though? It doesn't say how many you get, because I highly doubt just one of these is 35. Usually you get at least 4 or 5. I don't know. But again, this isn't a terrible product because I definitely will use it. So I don't feel like it's a waste. It's not something that I'm like gonna throw in a box or give away. So it's just not my favorite things to receive in a box. But I actually have used all my eye masks, I believe. I had like a big backstock of them, and I've been using them more recently, and so I think I don't have any more. So at least, I'll definitely use it. It's just not like my favorite product ever. The next thing is by Primera. I think that's how you say it, Primera. Alpine Berry Water Cream, and this is a moisturizer. It says Hydrate and Glow. Is it a moisturizer? It's a Korean brand. So it's a Korean brand. It is a moisturizer of gel consistency. This is a teeny tiny sample. Oh, it looks like the, I don't know if it's a sample size or the deluxe size of the Laneige sleeping mask, where it's like pretty much empty, but I don't know. I feel like this is kind of a hard sample for a cream. You can probably try this once or twice if you really need to moisturize, which I do. I have pretty dry skin, so it's nice. It does. What does it smell like? I can't figure it out. At first I thought it smelled like plants, kind of like that Juicy Beauty brand that I just can't get over the smell of that. But this doesn't have a bad smell. It doesn't smell like Alpine Berry water. I would say berry, but I don't smell anything berry. It does retail for 40 bucks, as you can buy it on Sephora. I'm not sure how big the, okay, the big size is 1.6 fluid ounces, and this is 1.16 ounces. So it is like 10% of the size. I don't know. Again, I actually don't mind getting moisturizers. This is not as like as this one, as the mask, but I wish the size would have been a little bit bigger, but I'm excited to try it. I like moisturizers, I need them, so. All right, the next product is Nuria. I don't know how to pronounce things, my husband makes fun of me. It's Triple Action Eye Cream. This, I actually love getting eye cream because I feel like I go through it a lot faster than most people. I don't know, I guess I'm wasteful. But I don't know what this is supposed to, oh, it has ginseng in it, which is awesome because I just watched something about adding ginseng to your skincare, and I think I'm gonna try. So that is really neat. It looks like it's from China. Has easy ingredients, it says. It's normally 40 bucks. It looks like you can only buy it on their website, Allure Beauty. I don't know if it's Korean or it's obviously an Asian brand because it does say ginseng native to China. I don't know. I'm excited to try it. Let's see if it's kind of, oh, it has one of those applicators, which I don't really ever use. So it's just a white cream. Ooh, I like it. It's not thick, but it's definitely not thin or gel. It does have a pretty good smell. I like that a lot. Of course, it's what, 40 bucks? Yeah, 40 bucks. Why can't I find a $5 eye cream that works good? But I like these products. So again, I'm very happy with the box. Product is a lip color from Cargo Cosmetics. It's probably gonna be red. Let's see, what color is it? Kaito? I don't know. Let's see, I bet it's red. The picture of it in here is red, which I don't really wear. So, oh, it's not. Oh, and it's a really pretty color. It's definitely not red. It's like a, not maroon. I wouldn't even say it's mauve. It's more of just a deeper, like a medium pink, maybe. All right, let's see, what is this? Oh, it says its name is Sedona. Mine's not Sedona. Mine is Kaito or whatever. Oh, it did say shades may vary, but she's specifically talking about the red color, so that's interesting. They're $22 to buy. Very intense with pigment. Let's try it on. I mean, I have a little bit. I like it. It feels really nice on the lips. It's not like, I just don't know if it would smear everywhere. It's pretty. 22 bucks. I've never really been like a huge fan of Cargo Cosmetics, so I really have nothing to compare to, but the things that I've gotten in past subscription boxes haven't really wowed me enough to go actually spend my own money or my you know, to go buy a product on its own. I guess I do spend my money on the subscription boxes, but I know you can get it at Kohl's, or at least you could have, but I just have never been wowed by a product to go and pick one up. And although this is nice, it's not like, wow, I need to go get it. I don't know, maybe I'll look in the mirror later and feel different. All right, the next product is by Laritzi, which I believe we have gotten something very recent from this company, either from Allure or from FabFitFun, I can't remember. So I do Allure, FabFitFun, and Sephora are the boxes that I've done, which I haven't even gotten my Sephora box this month, and it's already the 20th. So this is Liquid Beam, and what is it? A liquid illuminator. Okay, I'm confused. It says illuminator which to me means highlighter. But on here it says glittering liquid bronze eyeshadow. So I guess it's an eyeshadow. This is $22. It says you can buy it on their website. So I would assume only on their website, maybe. I don't know, I've never seen it anywhere else. So it's kind of a gold color. All right. Yeah, this is something I'll probably give my girls. So, I mean, it's pretty. It's very subtle, actually. Like, it's hard to even get, it's just very glittery. Like, you can't even see it. It's just pretty much glitter. So this will probably go to my girls who wear glitter. Not that I don't, because I do. But I don't really like liquid eyeshadows. They're hard to work with, and I have weight. You would think I would if you saw how many I had, but I don't. So this will probably pass to them, so that's unfortunate. If it had been, I know I'm going to totally say something that I said, that I went against what I said in my last Allure box, because I said I hate getting lip glosses and stuff, but I would have rather this been a lip gloss than this. So I guess I would rather get lip gloss sometimes. But yeah, not a big deal for me. It's too, oh, it says you can use it as an inner corner highlight or on your Cupid's bow. Maybe I will try it before I give it to them, because maybe I would like that on my inner corner. I mean, it's not totally like sparkle sparkle. You can't even see it in my camera. So I don't know, but it's worth 22 bucks. I mean, I don't know if that's real, but, or I'm sure it's the real price, but you know. All right, the last product in here, which I'm happy about, is the makeup eraser, the mini in black. I do already own a full-size eraser thing that's in pink, but I hate that it's pink because I feel like it gets stained. And I think there is like one stain on it that I can't get out. So it's like a maxi pad, which is fine. I like these. I think they get makeup off very well, except for the Thrive Cosmetic mascara. This does not take this off. I don't know how to get that one off, so you tell me. But this is, I like this. I'm excited. I will definitely use this. It says it's worth 12 bucks. I don't know if that means this one or that means, I don't even know if you can buy a mini. I don't know. But the full, actually maybe that is the mini price, because I feel like the full size was like 20, but I could be totally wrong. I bought mine years ago, so I don't even know. Is everything that's in my box. I am super excited about it. Like I said, I like the, I got maxi pad in my head. The eraser cloth, the eye cream I'm super excited about. The mascara I like. The cream I like. I'll use that, you know, either I'll use this or my kids will use this, my daughters will use this. And like I said, I'm gonna try this out. So really there's nothing in this bag, box, whatever. Oh, we did get a bag. It's like this neon yellow, which I can't figure out what to do with it, with these. Let me know what you do with yours, because what are you supposed to do with this? I don't even know. It doesn't stay shut, so I don't know what you put. I just don't know. I don't know. Tell me what you use yours for, because I just kind of been throwing them away. But let me know if you get this box what your favorite item was, or if you got something different. I'll tell you off the bat, my favorite item is probably the eye cream. I love eye creams. So, but again, like I said, I will use everything. And if I don't, the 1 or 2 products, which would be these 2, would be passed to my girls. So everything ends up working out good. This box was great this month. Last month, I wasn't too happy with it. It was just kind of a blah month for me. So I feel like this month was good. It wasn't like my favorite or blowing out of the water wonderful, but it's definitely a good box that I am pleasantly happy for 10 bucks. So let me know if you receive this and what you think. And I will talk to you guys, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.